Hey guys, this is Carson with Vernons Signature Audio. Today we have a black on black 2021 Cadillac Escalade. Today we're going to be putting our 50% ceramic windshield tint on there. Let's go ahead and check that out. This little segment is called Carson's Tip. This is where I give you my tip. We have a product for a lot of these patterns, and it helps. It really does. But a lot of these windshields are really tight. So whenever you're doing that, which we do like tightness, whenever you're laying these, a lot of the times you really want to be able to have the ability to be able to lay it without having to stretch it.
I can't hear you.
Yeah. Without the ability of having to crease it, because you don't want that. That's Carson's tip. You're welcome.
Less we say about it, the better. Make it up as we go along. Feet on the ground, head in the sky. It's so great, I know nothing's wrong, nothing. I have plenty of time.
This is Carson's tip again, where I give you my tip. When you're shrinking, you have a bunch of these canyons. The film's only made to shrink one direction. Can't do none of this backward shit where you go, oh, good luck everyone else. Can't do that. You gotta be able to shrink. Best way to do is get to these peaks. If you can get going, you don't want to go too far because that tension's gonna build up. And that is my tip. You're welcome. This is back with Carson's tip. My tip for information. I know y'all saw me shrinking it. That kind of distributes, tension that we have in this film. But whenever I lay it, a lot of times what I like to do is like to start in the middle. And like I said, you heard me say the word distribute. I like to send that tension out. And that is my tip. You're welcome.
I'm just an animal looking for a home.
We're back with Carson's tip, where I give you my tip. My dad always told me I gotta be fast if we want to make some money. One thing he didn't teach me is don't be fast at everything. You're welcome.
Share the same space for a minute or two, and you love me till my heart stops. Love me till I'm dead. I stand right up, I see through you. Cover up the blank spots, get me on that head I got.
Alright guys, that concludes our 50% ceramic windshield package on this 2021 blacked out Cadillac Escalade. If y'all decide to get anything done as far as window tint audio needs, just call Vernons Signature Audio, and we'll see if we can hook you up. Thank you.